Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to talk about a classic physics book. The title of the book is Problems in Physics. The author is A. Pinsky. It's from Mir Publishers Moscow, a famous Soviet publishing house for scientific, technical and educational books. This is the book. It's plain. Book is very good condition. You can see it has a simple design, but don't be fooled, inside it's packed with serious physical problems. The author of the book is A. Pinsky. Pinsky was a Soviet physicist and educator. He specialized in theoretical physics and physics education, and Pinsky worked on creating problems and exercises that help students think critically, not just memorize formulas. His book Problems in Physics reflects the Soviet tradition of strong, deep logical teaching in science. And he wrote this book to help undergraduate students strengthen their skills by solving meaningful, non-trivial problems. First published 1980. This is the second printing 1988. The main subject of this book is physics. It focuses on important areas like mechanics, thermodynamics, electricity and optics. So, contents: Part 1, motion and forces. Part 2, conservation laws. Part 3, molecular kinetic theory of gases. Part 4, molecular forces and states of aggregation of matter. Part 5, electrodynamics. Part 6, vibration and waves. Part 7, fundamentals of quantum physics. Part 8, nuclear and elementary particle physics. Tables: astronomical data, mechanical properties of solids, thermal properties of solids, properties of liquids, properties of gases, electrical properties of materials, velocity of sound, refractive indexes, masses of some natural atoms, fundamental physical constants. Some tactical hints. Notations. Problems. Part 1, motion and forces. So this book is intended for advanced students, especially those who already know the basic laws of physics and want to strengthen their problem solving skills. It's ideal for university students, engineering aspirations and anyone preparing for physics competition. To use this book well, you should already understand basic physics formulas and concepts. Force, particle dynamics. There are some boxes in this page. Gravitation, electrical forces. The law of conservation of energy in Newtonian mechanics. The second law of thermodynamics. Part 6, vibration and waves. Harmonic vibrations. Harmonic vibration complete to the law. Interference and diffraction of light. Part 7, fundamentals of quantum physics. Photons. nuclear and elementary particle physics, nuclear structure, particle dynamics. Yes, you can see the problems are very thoughtfully written. they are not just simple exercises. Many of them require real thinking, sometimes combining 2 or 3 different physics, sometimes combining 2 or 3 different physics and physics concepts at once. Potential energy, potential. A field of fixed charges in a vacuum. Magnetic field in a vacuum. Electromagnetic waves. Atomic and molecular structure. The answer and hints. Kinetics of a practical force, practical dynamics. So tables. So to the reader, Mir Publishers would be grateful for your comments on the contents, translation and design of this book. We would also be pleased to receive any other suggestions you may wish to make. Textbooks of Elementary Physics, Volume 1 and 3 in 3 volumes. Fundamentals of Physics, Volume 1 and 2. So my problems in physics is useful. Problem in Physics by Pinsky is still extremely useful today because it trains your mind to think like a real physicist. And in today's world, where many students focus only on memorizing formulas, this book teaches you how to apply concepts, solve problems creatively, and understand the logic behind physical laws. For students, it's perfect for preparing for university exam, entrance tests like engineering, admissions, and competitions like physics Olympiads. It helps build deep confidence in solving real-world physics problems. For teachers, it offers a rich collection of high-quality, challenging problems that they can use to create assignments, quizzes, or classroom discussions. For researchers and advanced learners, solving these problems again is an excellent way to refresh fundamental physics skills and stay sharp. Overall, this book is not just for studying, it is for training your brain to think critically, logically, and deeply about the physical world. This textbook explains the concept and most important advances of modern physics without resorting to higher mathematics. It avoids the traditional division between classical and modern physics. All the material presented is aimed at developing quantum mechanical concepts. The textbook is intended for secondary schools or as a teaching aid for physics teachers in general and technical secondary schools. It will be found useful by students studying for A-level physics or first year physics at universities or technical colleges. Volume 1 contains motion and process, conservation laws, molecular kinetic theory of gases, molecular process and states of aggregation of matter, electrodynamics. Volume 2 contains vibration and waves, basic quantum physics of atoms, molecular and solids, the basic physics of the nuclear and elementary particles. So If you want to become stronger in physics, faster in solving problems, and smarter in thinking, this book is a great tool. So personally, I love this book because it forces you to think deeply and apply what you know in creative ways. It's not just about formulas, it's about truly understanding the principles of physics. If you are serious about mastering physics, I highly recommend getting a copy of Problem in Physics for this book. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and comment below. If you have any questions or if you'd like me to review more books from Mir Publishers, see you in the next video.